Yes, please. So go little back, please.
Okay. Yes. So at the time of the like when you purchase your hosting, you will have received this kind of a email. So first of all, you have to click on this link, your control panel URL. So when you click on the link, then this screen is comes in front of you, and you have to copy your username and password and click on login button. Okay. Then you have to search a WordPress icon over there, and I'm just scroll it down, and you can see WordPress icon is there. So click on the icon, then click on the button, install now button. Right. So you can see software setup option is there. Under software setup, choose installation URL. So make sure you have to select HTTPS over there, and you have to select your domain. Right. The domain आपको वो डोमेन चूज करना है जहां पर आपको अपना वर्डप्रेस को इंस्टॉल करना है. ओके. सो अभी मैं यहाँ पे a1.peopletrainersacademy.online को चूज करने वाला हूँ. सो क्लिक ऑन द डोमेन.
So you have to choose a domain which for which you require to create a website. In this drop down, there may be more than one domains in case you have more than one. Otherwise, in case you have only one domain, so you can choose that one domain only. Yes.
Do you mean by HTTPS?
HTTPS means it has a S associated with HTTP. HTTP means hypertext markup language. No, HTTP is something
like
different.
Sir, I'm just explaining.
Yeah.
So you have to select only HTTPS because like your hosting plan gives you a SSL certificate, right? So if you like when I'm selecting this one like HTTP and HTTP, right? So SSL certificate will not be installed, right? So make sure you have to select only HTTPS, right?
Yes. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. It's a technical term of website, and we require to put S because now your domain is safe. It cannot be hacked. It is associated with the safety. If S is there, then your website and domain is safe and secure. If S is not there, then it is not safe and secure. How you can make it safe and secure? Generally, SSL certificate comes with your hosting. So whenever you are going to purchase, then you will see that this safety certificate, SSL certificate is there. If it is there, then HTTPS will be applicable to choose here. I think now it's clear. Yes, Ayush, please continue.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So after selecting HTTPS, and then select your domain, then scroll it down, and you have to choose your site name. You can change it later. Okay. So I'm just selecting yoga tutor, and yes, then you can see admin account information is there on the right hand side, and you can see admin username is admin and admin password is pass, right? So ये जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं अभी यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड, ये आपका वर्डप्रेस के डैशबोर्ड का लॉगिन आईडी और पासवर्ड है आपका, राइट? सो आप यहाँ से इसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको चेंज करना है तो आप यहाँ से चेंज कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो अभी के लिए मैं इसे यहीं पे यही रहने देता हूँ, एडमिन एंड पास, देन एडमिन ईमेल. सो यहाँ पर अपना आप ईमेल को अपडेट कर सकते हैं. Yes. Okay. Then scroll it down.
आयुष जी, एक क्वेरी है.
जी सर.
ये आप जो ईमेल अभी यहाँ पे हम अपडेट करते हैं या करेंगे, वो ये इसके साथ तो मिला हुआ फ्री ईमेल होगा या हमारा खुद का होगा या कैसे होगा?
हाँ सर, देखिए अगर आपको फ्री ईमेल करना है या तो आप अपना जीमेल का कर दीजिए जो आप नॉर्मली यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। अगर आपको जो होस्टिंग के साथ ईमेल मिला हुआ है, अगर आपको वो करना है यहाँ पे, तो उससे पहले आपको ईमेल का सेटअप करना होगा। ईमेल का सेटअप करने के लिए आपको बेसिकली जो होस्टिंग के साथ आपको ईमेल मिला है वहां पे जाके आपको सेटिंग करनी होगी, और सेटिंग करने के बाद आपको उसे रीडायरेक्ट करना होगा, फॉरवर्ड करना होगा, राइट, आपका जो जीमेल है वहां पे, ताकि
तो ये जो
Yes,
तो
आयुष।
ईमेल तो मोस्टली हमारे पास सारों के पास कुछ ना कुछ ईमेल तो है ही है।
हाँ,
हाँ,
तो हमें वही
ये
ईमेल यहाँ रखना है।
हाँ, तो वो
हमें
तो पर्सनल हो जाएगा ना सर,
आप
ये
पर्सनल
वाला
ईमेल, आप पर्सनल ईमेल या ऑफिशियल ईमेल यहाँ कोई भी रख सकते हैं, बट अगर आपको ऑफिशियल ईमेल लाना है जो होस्टिंग के साथ मिला है, तो वो आपको पहले एक्टिवेट करना पड़ेगा, फिर आप रख सकते हैं। अदरवाइज आप क्या करेंगे, अभी के लिए टू स्टार्ट विद, यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस
विद
योर
आवर
ईमेल, एडमिन ईमेल। आप अपना ईमेल जो पुराना है उसे रख लें, बिकॉज दिस इज फॉर योर कंट्रोल पर्पज ओनली।
ओके
हाँ,
ठीक है।
yes, okay.
ओके।
So yes, sir, I would repeat for in English the people who are here.
ओके सर।
So now you require to create your controls for WordPress. Before this, the controls which we had from our hosting providers, these controls were for our control panel of server. Now we have installed WordPress here, or we are going to install WordPress. Then for WordPress also we require login and password and one email to connect with. So we are creating login and password for WordPress. Now after this, we would have 3 login controls. One login control for our hosting, one login control for our server, and third one login control for our WordPress. Now we have to note all these 3 controls somewhere on a paper or diary, because whenever you will work, you might be forget this, and in future, if you could not remember, then it may create a problem to you. So please always keep these controls in a diary so that it can be available at the time you require it. Yes, Ayush, please continue.
Okay, so after putting all the information, scroll it down and click on this install button. So it will take a few seconds to completely install. Yes, so you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And then you can see WordPress has been installed at this domain, which is a1.peopletrainersacademy.online. So when I click on the domain, yes, you can see it's a default theme of a WordPress. Then how to log in into your WordPress dashboard, right? So you have to type your domain in the like new tab. I'm typing the domain a1.peopletrainersacademy.online, right? So after typing your full domain, you have to type like forward slash and wp-admin, right? So please note it over paper. You can, like, if you want to log in into your WordPress dashboard, so you have to type this domain, like this name after your domain name, like wp-admin /wp-admin. Then click on enter.
Okay, and this is the shortcut to log in your WordPress directly. Otherwise, we have to go to our server control and then in the control panel, and then after WordPress. So that is a longer process, but there is one shortcut always. Just you have to put your domain name and with /wp-admin. In case you write with this, then you comes directly to the login page of your WordPress, bypassing your server login and your server control panel login. So this is the shortcut. Please make a note of this on a paper, that whenever you are going to edit or create something or alter something on your website, you need not to go to your server controls. You directly can access your WordPress control panel, WordPress dashboard, just by putting wp-admin. यहाँ wp-admin आपके डोमेन के आगे लिखते ही आपको सर्वर एक्सेस नहीं करना पड़ेगा, शॉर्टकट है, बाईपास है, आप सीधे अपने वर्डप्रेस के कंट्रोल पैनल पर डैशबोर्ड पर सीधे आ जाएंगे जहां आप अपने लॉगिन्स रखेंगे एंड यू विल गेट एंट्री इन योर वर्डप्रेस एरिया. यस आयुष, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Okay, so click press enter. Then यहाँ पर आपको अपना यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड डालना है. So my username and password is admin and pass. Okay, so click on the login button. Yes, so you can see full WordPress dashboard is there, right? Dashboard, home, updates, posts. When I click on all posts, you can see a hello world. Hello world is basically a by default post. When you install a fresh WordPress into your website, into your domain, so you can see this kind of a post which is hello world. It is like by default यहाँ पर ये होगा आपका post, ठीक है? So if you want to create a multiple post, you have to under post section click on add new. Okay, so click on add new and add title, like title of a post, like what is digital marketing. मैं जस्ट आपको एक डेमो के लिए बता रहा हूँ अभी कि पोस्ट सेक्शन में हम क्या कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. देन यहाँ पर आपको काफी सारे ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. ये ब्लॉग्स आप देख सकते हैं, ऐड ब्लॉग. देन यहाँ पर आप अपना कोई भी रिटर्न कंटेंट लिख सकते हैं. And if you want to add image in your post, click on this box and select image, then click on upload. Okay, so ये image मैं यहाँ से ले लेता हूँ and you can see ये image हमारे blog post में आ गया है. और देन आप राइट साइड पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस आपको दिखाई देंगे, सेव ड्राफ्ट, प्रीव्यू एंड पब्लिश. इफ यू वांट टू प्रीव्यू योर पोस्ट, सो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस प्रीव्यू बटन. yes, so you can see the post is live now and it is present on your home page. okay, so हम वापस से डैशबोर्ड में जाते हैं यहाँ से. Then media section is there. Like if you want to add a video into your website, so you have to under media section you have to click on this add new button, then upload your video content. Okay, then pages option is there, right? So right now you can see how many pages you have in your website. So when I click on the all pages button, then you can see it, like 2 pages. One page is of privacy policy and another one is sample page. Okay, then comments and appearance, plugins, users, tools and setting. So first of all, like settings में आपको जाना है. Under setting you have to click on permalinks option.
Ayush will take 1 minute more here. So
Okay.
whenever you are going to enter in your this WordPress environment, WordPress is your website developer platform, and when first time you are entering there, everyone will see this kind of interface wherein you will get dashboard, post, media, page, comment, appearance, plugin, user, tools, settings. And there is a very basic and by default kind of post theme which you require over, which you get over there. Now, how we should start moving and designing our website, what settings are required to do, what environment is required to create, let's start learning it in a stepping manner. So first of all, what we require to do, we just have to go to our setting area so that we can customize our basic settings according to our need. So we are going to the setting tab. In setting tab, we have to go to permalinks. Permalinks are nothing. These are the links only which are going to be created for your website. Yes, now I continue, please. Ayush, your voice is not there.
Okay. Yes. So under common setting, like these are the options available here, like plain, day and time, month and name, numeric, and post name, right? So when you install a fresh WordPress on your domain, so by default it is selected day and name over there, right? So you have to select post name. Okay. So अगर आपको ये देखना है ये क्या चीज है, तो मैं जस्ट बेसिकली आपको बता देता हूँ. आप यहाँ पे देखिए a1.peopletrainers.academy.online /question mark p, लाइक ये आपका पेज आईडी को यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है, राइट? सो बेसिकली ये क्या है, आपका जो लिंक बनता है आपकी वेबसाइट का, उसको लाइक एसईओ की टर्म में अगर देखा जाए तो उसके लिए ये काफी यूजफुल है, क्योंकि आपके डोमेन के बाद में आप जिस भी लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे, जिस भी पेज पे क्लिक करेंगे, वही पेज आपका यूआरएल बन जाएगा, राइट? सो इट विल हेल्प यू इन एसईओ पार्ट. Okay, so make sure you have to select post name there and click on save changes. Yes, so it is permalink structure updated. Then आपको simply appearance section पे जाना है. Under appearance section, so click on the theme button. So now you can see there are 3 themes which are like pre-built themes when we install WordPress on our domain. So these are the themes which are pre-installed, right? So the current theme is 2021. So when I load my website, you can see this layout. Like first is your site title, then your site description, then it's a blog. Okay. So we have to change this theme into a new one. So on the right side of the themes, you can see add new button is there. Just click on the add new button. Yes. Then you have an option like search themes, right? So you have to type Astra over there.
Okay.
Astra.
Just a minute, Ayush. So
Okay.
what generally happens whenever we install WordPress, then WordPress itself comes with approximate 2000 themes which are free. You need not to pay anything. So there is a fixed set of themes which comes for free. We just have to search any one theme which seems suitable for us, for our product, for our business. हमें एक थीम उस जो फ्री में मिली हुई वर्डप्रेस के साथ उनमें से एक थीम को सर्च करना पड़ता है और उसको हम अपनी वेबसाइट पर लगाएंगे. वर्डप्रेस में एंट्री के बाद हमें अपीयरेंस में जाके नाउ वी हैव टू कस्टमाइज, हमें कस्टमाइज करना है अपनी वेबसाइट को. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू इंस्टॉल वन थीम विच इज सुइटेबल एंड फेवरेबल फॉर आवर प्रोडक्ट एंड बिजनेस. तो उसके लिए अब हम एक थीम ले रहे हैं. Now Ayush has explored one theme which is called Astra. Astra is a multi-purpose theme. Anyone can take that theme and it will work for any kind of business or requirement of website. So Ayush, please now search Astra and get installed.
Yes. So click on the add new button. Then search theme option is available and type Astra, A-S-T-R-A. Okay, so you can see first theme is there, like Astra theme. The second one is Astral dark mode for A. So you have to install this one, Astra. Okay, so you can see there is 2 options, install and preview. So click on the button install. It will take a few seconds to completely install.
आई थिंक सो फार थिंग्स आर थ्रू। अभी तक की चीजें, ये चौथा स्टेप हमें पकड़ में आ गया कि वर्डप्रेस इंस्टॉल करने के बाद हम थीम को कैसे इंस्टॉल करें। यहाँ तक अगर हमें कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं है और अगर हमने ये कर लिया तो एक बहुत बड़ी जंग जीत ली हमने। इन केस वी कुड डू this fourth step too, then we have win our half the race. आधी जंग हमने जीत ली, and only two things are required to do now. So yes, Ayush, please continue.
Yes, so the theme is completely installed, and after the installation you have a like button activate. So you have to click on this activate button to activate the theme. So yes, so the theme is activated successfully. Now when I load my website, you can see when I refresh my website, so it will like replace this theme to a newer one. Yes, okay, so theme is completely changed. Now we need a like demo templates for our website. Okay, so
Now the next steps comes over there. We have installed one basic outline theme, one environment, but this doesn't look nice. So you are not getting any colorful things over there, not colorful images, no colorful blocks, no designings over there. So still the outline is being drawn like it's a foundation making exercise had been done. अभी तक हमने फाउंडेशन बना लिया, नीम जमा ली, एक आउटलाइन बना दिया. Now we have to make it little presentable. To make it presentable, we require to install certain templates, colorful templates, and Ayush will tell us how we can do it in the next fifth step. That is the fifth step, to install some suitable templates. Yes, Ayush, please continue.
okay, so when you activate the theme, then you will receive this kind of a like pop-up message. You can see thank you for installing Astra. Then a get started button is there, so you have to click on this button, get started. Get started is basically a plugin. Yes, so when you click on the get started button, you will have received this kind of a interface. Then make sure you have to select Elementor over there.
So now these are 4 options of web building, associate web building helper. Out of these 4, we have to leave 3. We need not to touch any other except Elementor. We have to take Elementor. Elementor is going to help us in our website designing and casting. So when we clicked on Elementor, we will see a lot of templates in front of us on our screen. हमारे स्क्रीन पे बहुत सारे यहाँ टेम्पलेट्स मिलेंगे. इन टेम्पलेट्स में से अब हमें टेम्पलेट इंस्टॉल करना है. यस आयुष.
Okay, so you can see all option is there, then search option is there, right? So under all option, make sure you have to select free option is there, right? So you have to import a free theme, not a paid one. So select free one, then it loads again and it will show you all the free templates. Then you have to choose according to your requirement, right? जैसे मैं एक आपको दिखा देता हूँ यहाँ से. If you want to preview, then you also can. Like simply natural and this one organic store is there. Yes, so you can see 3 pages are there, like home page, about page, and contact page. Okay, so if you want to preview this theme, then you can see 3 button is there: preview site, import complete site, and import home template. So I'm just click on the preview site button. Yes, so you can see when I click on the preview button, the complete template is being loaded, right? So you can see
So
it's yes.
your website will look like this. It
We are
has
not
a
able to
3
hear
pages.
anything, sir.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, Ayush, please continue.
Yes. So I'm
Not able
going
hear
to
anything.
okay, just a second. Yes. So I'm going to import this template. Okay. Like if you want to if you want to see more templates, so just click on the go back button, and you can like see multiple templates over there. If you want to preview this one, like live a healthy life, learn from experts. So just click on the preview site if you want to take a preview of this template. Yes. So now you can see. Okay. So you can take a like look at a multiple templates according to your needs. So for as of now, for now, I'm going to import this theme, which is organic store. Okay. So like there is there is three option over there: preview site, import complete site, import home template. Right. So if you want to like import complete website into your domain, so you have to click on the import complete site button. Okay. So I'm going to click on the import complete site. It will take a few minutes to like completely. It is like just a survey. I'm a WordPress beginner building websites for myself. Next, skip. Then you can see the template is being imported. It will take a few maybe minutes.
And after this, we are going to finish our 5th step. So their basic 5 steps are going to be completed so far. Now onwards, we would require to do one exercise, which is putting our content, designing our pages, putting our images, putting our text, and just customizing our website. So foundational steps has been completed. So we have completed 5 steps so far. In case any one of us has any question in our mind or any hesitation or something which is required to ask, please ask now. And after that, in next class, we would go to learn how to pour on, how to put our content in this template, which we have chosen for our website making. अभी तक हमने 5 स्टेप पूरे कर लिए हैं, जिसमें आज वर्डप्रेस से शुरू किया था, थीम से निकलकर हम टेम्पलेट इंस्टॉलेशन तक आ गए हैं. जैसे ही अभी इंपोर्ट पूरा होता है, हमें अपनी वेबसाइट पर सारी टेम्पलेट्स लगी हुई दिखाई देंगी. यहाँ से आगे अब हमें अपना टेक्स्ट और कंटेंट इसमें लगाना है ताकि हमारी वेबसाइट इस टेम्पलेट पर हमारे लिए दिखाई दे. तो ये 5 स्टेप जो फाउंडेशन मेकिंग है, फाउंडेशन बनाने वाले हैं, वो सारा का सारा काम अभी तक हम कर चुके हैं, सीख चुके हैं. इसमें से किसी को अगर कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया तो प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं. हम 10 मिनट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. उसके बाद छठा स्टेप कैसे कंप्लीट करते हैं, अपना कंटेंट कैसे रखते हैं, कंटेंट को कैसे डेकोरेट करते हैं, उसको कैसे सजाते हैं, उसे कैसे कस्टमाइज करते हैं, उसे कैसे प्रेजेंटेबल बनाते हैं, उसे कैसे ब्यूटीफाई करते हैं, ये हम अगली क्लास में सीखेंगे. तो यस, मीनवाइल ये सारा अभी
सर
जी
सर मुझे ये पूछना है, अभी जैसे ये जो अपन ने टेम्पलेट अपलोड कर दिए, अब जैसे कि ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट है, अब उसके लिए तो बहुत सारे पेजेस क्रिएट करना होता है, और ये जो टेम्पलेट यहाँ पे दिए है ये 4 या 5 प्रकार के दिए, तो अब जैसे उसके नेक्स्ट पेज के लिए टेम्पलेट कैसे अप्लाई होगा? दूसरा?
मैं आपको आंसर देता हूं उसका। आपने एक मकान बनाना शुरू किया, प्लॉट पड़ा है आपके पास बहुत बड़ा, आपने डिजाइनिंग करवाए थे 3 कमरे, आप चाहते हो कि मुझे 5 कमरे और जोड़ने हैं, तो आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है, पीछे
जी।
प्लॉट खाली पड़ा है, आप 5 कमरे की कॉपी मार दो। तो यहाँ भी क्या करोगे, 3 पेज आपके पास बाय डिफॉल्ट हैं, आप यहाँ 50 पेज, 70 पेज, 100 पेज जितना बनाना चाहते हो, आप टेम्पलेट के पेज को कॉपी मारो, नया पेज बनाओ, वो हम बताते चलेंगे आपको कैसे बनाओगे, आप बना सकते हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। ये जो टेम्पलेट दिया है, ये बेसिक डिजाइन दिया है हमें, ठीक है। तो इन्हीं में से किसी भी पेज को आप कॉपी मार सकते हो, किसी भी पेज को अपनी तरफ से नया जोड़ सकते हो, वो अनलिमिटेड कर सकते हो। तो वहां आपको कोई बंदिश नहीं है कि आप 3 ही पेज की वेबसाइट बनेगी, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। इसी टेम्पलेट में, इसी थीम में आप और पेज जोड़ सकते हो। यस।
और दूसरे भी टेम्पलेट अपन अपलोड कर सकते हैं उसमें?
आप कर सकते हो, अलग अलग टेम्पलेट ग्रुप
तो
में
उसमें
से
से
टेम्पलेट ला
पर्टिकुलर
सकते हैं,
पेज हम
ला सकते हैं। Yes.
अच्छा।
Yes, Ayush, please click on view site.
Okay. Yes. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to be completely import your all contents, all images, all pages. Okay. So now like when I click on the button view site, so अभी आप देखिए, पहले सबसे पहले अभी आपका जो वेबसाइट का लुक है वो किस तरह से दिखाई दे रहा है, राइट? सो व्हेन आई क्लिक रिफ्रेश, इट विल चेंज, लाइक होल टेम्पलेट, होल पेजेस, होल कंटेंट विल बी चेंज्ड।
चमत्कार होने वाला है। Now it is going to be a miraculous
Yes.
change on your website. Everything has been changed now. So congratulations, your website foundation is being ready as per your requirement. The themes are there. Now you just require to just replace these images and text, and your website will be yours now. Isn't simple? कितना सरल है। जैसे ही टेम्पलेट इंस्टॉल हुआ, उसमें बस आपको इमेज चेंज करनी है, टेक्स्ट चेंज करना है, और आपकी वेबसाइट आपके हाथ में आ गई। दैट्स इट।
Okay.
Yes, Ayush.
Yes.
One
So
question, sir. One
Yes,
small
please. Yes,
question.
please.
When we were discussing about pages, how to add
Mhm.
pages or multiple pages, अभी
Mhm.
so what exactly do you mean by pages? मतलब अभी जैसे
हाँ,
यहाँ पे home है कि एक पेज है, about us एक पेज है, products वाला एक पेज है, कि कैसे है? What how do you define pages?
Okay. So by default, this theme and this template is giving us 5 pages. Yes, Ayush, please go. It is giving us 5 pages: home, all products, about, contact, and account. But to
अच्छा,
move
ये
ahead, we would require some more pages, like in case you want to add blogging on your
हाँ,
website, then your blog page would be there. In case you want to put your gallery over there, then your gallery would be there.
तो
In
वो
case
आप बोलते हैं that is what you call as addition of pages, which we can
additional
just do
page,
by copy
yeah.
pasting later.
Yes. So these are 5 pages. In case you want to create more pages, then their names will start coming on this screen, and the pages will be added in your website.
Sir, sorry, I actually lost the audio in between for 2-3 minutes. तो मुझे ये चमत्कार के पीछे वाला वही बहुत important सा चीज मिस हो गया था.
Okay,
I was there with,
not a
हाँ sir,
problem.
very
So,
sorry if I'm taking
I'm
time of
repeating.
everybody.
I'm
नहीं
repeating.
नहीं, ये बात नहीं, मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ कहाँ पे मेरा ये जब आपने हमारा जो नॉर्मल ये था, अभी जैसे ऑर्गेनिक मूवमेंट सब आ गया ना, वो कैसे आया वो मुझे नहीं पता चला।
Yes. So I'm repeating
उसके
it
पहले
for
तक
you.
मैं I was with you.
Okay, so then we have installed theme. Theme was very basic outline, and there was no any colorful change over there. No images were there.
हाँ,
Then
यहाँ तक.
what we require some ready-made templates to just put on our theme, so that we should not do a lot of work of designing things. हमें बहुत सारे डिजाइनिंग से बचना है। तो दुनिया में पहले से लोगों ने वो कर रखा है काम। हमें क्या करना है, अपनी वेबसाइट के अकॉर्डिंग एक कोई टेम्पलेट्स का ग्रुप लेना है, उसको सेलेक्ट करके और अपनी थीम पर इंस्टॉल कर देना है। जैसे ही हमने इंस्टॉल किया, तो वो पूरा का पूरा सेटअप, कलरफुल सेटअप हमारी वेबसाइट की फॉर्म में आ गया। And that is called template installation. That is the 5th step of website designing.
सो इसमें हमने एक्चुअली किसी और का वेबसाइट का टेम्पलेट हमने पूरा का पूरा इसमें ले लिया।
और का मतलब है कि
बिकॉज द
वर्डप्रेस
ब्रांड
इट्स
नेम कुछ आया, सब अलग अलग आ गए
yes
ना,
yes so words
प्रोडक्ट्स अलग आ गए।
so it is not a copyright thing. WordPress itself gives us thousands of the templates and the themes free of cost. They are not copyrighted for anybody, so they are available in public domain and you can use any of them. And after customizing, so nobody can even identify that this is my template or my theme, and in case they identify, they are not going to blame you because it is a public domain property, so you can use this.
This anybody can use this. Okay.
Yeah,
So
anybody can
then
use
this brand name and all, changing the brand name and layouts and all, you will teach us later. Correct?
now. Yes, so the
Okay.
sixth step is to replace the things, the content which is here, so that we are going to cover in the next class. Now in these 3 classes we have covered 5 basic steps. These 5 basic steps are little technical, so people generally stuck somewhere in the control panel and dashboard, so you have to practice little bit at your end. So how to connect your domain with hosting, and when you connected hosting, then how to install WordPress. When you install WordPress, then how to go inside the WordPress. If you went inside the WordPress, then how to install your template, theme. And if you install one theme, then how to install templates on this theme. So these are 5 basic steps. If you could do this once or twice, then sky is the limit to learn, and this website designing will be in your hand. चुटकी बजाते ही आप वेबसाइट बनाना सीख जाओगे, ये इतना सरल है अगर ये 5 चीजें समझ में आ गई तो आज ये हम 5 चीजें हमने डिस्कस की हैं। इसमें किसी की और क्वेरी क्वेश्चंस हो सो फार अभी तक जो कुछ किया तो प्लीज पूछते जाएं, एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एंड रिकमेंड एवरीवन, प्लीज डू प्रैक्टिस दीज 5 स्टेप्स वंस और ट्वाइस। तो आपको पूरी जिंदगी किसी डेवलपर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी वेबसाइट के लिए। अगर ये 5 स्टेप आपकी समझ में आ गए तो छठा स्टेप बड़ा इजी है, यू कैन डू इट बिकॉज दैट बिलोंग्स टू यू. You know your content better, you know your things better, so you would be able to put it on your website. आप अपनी वेबसाइट पे वो चीजें रखने में बहुत माहिर हैं, आप उसे आसानी से कर सकेंगे। ये जो 5 चीजें थी वो टेक्निकल चीजें थी, बस वो समझ में हमारे आनी चाहिए। इससे रिलेटेड कोई और क्वेश्चन हो तो आप प्लीज पूछें। Is there any more question, please? All 5 are clear? Yes, Jeswa ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, you asked us to use Astra. So are there any other themes maybe for us to kind of experiment on, or how do you
Yes,
find the
yes,
names of the
yes,
themes?
yes. So Ayush, please go to the themes page, themes or this templates page, and please go and search some stuff for restaurant. यहाँ
Okay,
कुछ
sir.
रेस्टोरेंट के लिए ढूंढें और जो यस रेस्टोरेंट और फूड दोनों में से कुछ भी लिख दो। फूड लिखो तो आपके लिए मैम ये कुछ थीम्स आ गई हैं, दोज आर फ्रीली अवेलेबल। BBQ रेस्टोरेंट, न्यूट्रिशन, so you can install any template out of this. ये 3-4 जो पब्लिकली फ्री हैं वो आप उन्हें देख सकते हो। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ stuff which is paid stuff in case you want to buy any stuff which you think that you require some more advanced kind of templates and themes, you can buy it from Elementor. वो भी आप परचेज कर सकते हो। तो एक ये है, एक बार वापस जाओ, 1-2 और सेलेक्ट करें। Food, nutrition,
Italian restaurant.
Yeah, please open this.
Preview site.
Very good looking and dark theme is this. Oh, great. So you can take this one also. Or in case you have seen any competitor website, so you just give us the name, domain name, and we can make you learn how you can know the name of that particular theme. आप कैसे उसकी थीम का नाम निकाल सकते हो और वही थीम आप अपने लिए यूज कर सकते हो. You just give us the domain name in case you have seen any attractive and website of any competitor.
Sure,
I think,
thanks.
yeah, I think it is clear, Jeshua ma'am.
Yes, thanks.
Okay, better. Yes, I think now we are able to perform these 5 steps for ourselves. Please try to do it. Those who could not buy, those who did not buy any domain and hosting so far, they are recommended and requested to buy it today. And please connect both of them, install WordPress, install your theme, install your templates, do this exercise 2-3 times so that you have hands-on experience, and then we will do in the next class how you can customize or on your content on your favorable and suitable theme and templates, and you can get the website in the next class. In the 5th class, you would have a website in your hands. Is that okay? Okay. बोलते नहीं, आज तो लोग बोल कम रहे हैं. सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है या सब ऊपर से जा रहा है?
It's all good, sir. Clear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So Ferris, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. So are you able to take it these 5 steps? Are you through this?
I wasn't able to stay the whole time on because I had to leave and come back to the PC. You know, I had to do something.
Not a problem.
But I will watch. I will watch after.
So you watch it because this session was entirely in English. Wherever we used Hindi, so we have interpreted it in English, and we perform 3 steps today. One, WordPress installation, and then theme installation, and then template installation. So these are basic things and mandatory things. After domain and hosting, we have to perform these 3 steps just to create the foundation of our website, and that is very standard practice. So we have to take a domain and hosting. After that, we have to install WordPress. After WordPress, we have to select and install one theme, which is suitable for our website. And then we install some beautiful templates on this. And templates and themes are available in public domain, and they generally comes with the WordPress. So we could do these 5 steps so far. Please try to do it once at your end. And in case you stuck somewhere, you can connect me directly, me or Ayush, and we will make you learn that how you can go ahead. Now,
no problem.
Now we have done 5 basic steps to make a foundation for our website. Now the time has come when we start putting our content in this, just customizing this and beautifying this as per our need and requirement. And in next 2 classes, we would have a new website in our hand. So this was the process today. Please go through the recording in case you find something difficult, or you can connect me. I'm available tomorrow after 10 a.m. I'm available for the whole day. Any one of us can connect me or Ayush, and we will make you learn these 5 steps once again. But please do complete this 5-step exercise.
It's not complicated. It's not complicated.
It's actually easy in case we have taken this in a process, in the manner it is being explained. But if you could not do it, then you will have stuck somewhere, because there are little technical processes over there. If you just repeated it twice or thrice, then for whole life you will not forget this.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone. So in case anyone of bye Ferris. Okay. किसी और को कोई पूछना हो तो प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं, otherwise going to finish the class today.
नहीं सर, काफी क्लियर था. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Saraj ji. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, thank you. Going to finish the class, and thank you Ayush. Thanks for making us learn. Okay, and very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye bye. Good day.